What is up, Pyro? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we are doing a barrage candle called the CANNONADE candle. It is a 666 shot barrage candle from Pyrodemon Fireworks. It is a XL barrage candle. This one's a little fatter than your normal barrage candles. I was probably kind of figured having to stick 666 shots in there, because most of them, 80s, 90s, a little over 100, somewhere around there. So this one won't fit in your barrage candle racks if you have one, as this one wouldn't fit in mine. So you got to stick it in the ground or stick it in a bucket or however you want to do it. But yeah, let's take a look at the performance. Basically, it's pretty plain and simple. Just 666 shots of time, rain, and crackle. So that is the CANNONADE candle from Pyrodemon. Let's see what it does.